Hi, I'm Peter from GardenWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to plant an Amaryllis bulb. The first thing you want to do is choose a bulb. I've chosen a beautiful white nymph. There are many varieties to choose from. You want to choose a pot that is about 1 inch wider than the diameter of the bulb. Make sure there's drainage at the bottom of the pot, and you want to fill your pot with about 2 to 3 inches of potting soil, and I've chosen a cactus mix. Because I want to get the roots down into the soil, I'm going to raise it up slightly and then get the soil down so that the roots are being pushed into the soil as opposed to being flattened. You want to make sure that the shoulder of the bulb is above soil level. If it's planted below soil level, it can rot. Press firmly down to stabilize the bulb. An Amaryllis bulb takes a dry dormancy to get it to bloom again. It has been sitting in dormancy for quite a while, so what it needs the first time you pot it is a really good soak. Water it really well. And to make it a little bit more festive, I'm going to dress it up with a little bit of Excelsior. You can use reindeer moss, whatever you like. That'll cover up the soil. Your Amaryllis bulb is planted, potted up and ready to grow. You have given it a good soaking, put it in a bright spot and wait. When you see the little flower buds sticking up out from the bulb, start watering it again, and you can water it every 2 to 3 days. It's as easy as that, and in no time you'll have a beautiful flowering house plant. Thank you for watching.